Installing a new door in your home can be an exciting and rewarding project. Whether you're updating your entryway or replacing an old door, a well-installed door can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic and security. However, the installation process can be tricky, and even small mistakes can lead to costly repairs or inefficiencies. In Cayce, where weather conditions can change unexpectedly, it's crucial to ensure that your door is properly installed to withstand these fluctuations. To help you avoid potential issues, here are some common mistakes to watch out for during door installation. Incorrect door sizing. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is choosing the wrong door size. Doors come in standard sizes, but older homes or homes with unique architectural features may require custom-sized doors. If the door is too small, it won't fit securely within the frame, leading to gaps that compromise energy efficiency and security. On the other hand, a door that is too large may not fit into the existing door frame at all. Before purchasing a door, it's essential to measure your existing frame carefully. A professional installer can help ensure that the door you select is the perfect fit for your home. Taking the time to measure accurately can save you both time and money in the long run. Skipping weatherproofing and insulation. Weatherproofing is critical, particularly in areas like Cayce, where temperatures can vary and moisture is prevalent. Failing to properly weatherproof the door can lead to drafts, energy loss, and water damage. Make sure the door you're installing comes with adequate weather stripping, seals, and insulation. These features will help keep your home comfortable, reduce your energy bills, and protect your door from the elements. Ensure that the installation includes sealing around the door frame and proper insulation, especially if you're installing an exterior door. A poorly insulated door can lead to cold drafts in the winter and hot air infiltration in the summer, making your HVAC system work harder than necessary. Neglecting the door frame condition. Even if your new door is in perfect condition, it can't perform well if the door frame is damaged or warped. Often, homeowners focus entirely on the door itself without considering the surrounding frame. A warped or rotted frame can prevent the door from fitting properly and lead to difficulties with opening, closing, and locking. Before installing a new door, inspect the door frame carefully for signs of wear or damage. If the frame is compromised, it should be repaired or replaced. This step may add to the cost of the installation, but it is essential for ensuring the long-term function of your door. Improper alignment. Alignment is crucial for smooth door operation. If a door isn't aligned properly, it may not close fully, leaving gaps or creating difficulty when locking the door. In addition to the aesthetic issues, misalignment can lead to security concerns, as an improperly aligned door may not lock or latch correctly. To avoid this mistake, make sure that the hinges are properly installed and aligned. Additionally, the door should swing freely without scraping the floor or sticking at the top. Take the time to adjust the door until it fits perfectly within the frame and operates smoothly. Forgetting about security features. When installing a door, especially an exterior one, security is a top priority. Many homeowners overlook essential security features, such as a high-quality lock set or reinforced door frame. Installing a standard lock may seem like a cost-saving option, but it could leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. Make sure your door comes equipped with sturdy locks, deadbolts, and a solid frame. In addition, consider installing a peephole or a security camera, especially if the door faces a high-traffic area or the street. These added security measures can provide peace of mind and help protect your home from potential threats. Rushing the installation process. Door installation might seem straightforward, but it requires precision and attention to detail. Rushing through the process can lead to mistakes that will cost you more time and money to fix later. Taking shortcuts during the installation process, such as skipping sealants or failing to secure screws properly, can result in a door that doesn't function as it should. Take your time to ensure that each step is done correctly, from measuring and framing to weatherproofing and securing the door. If you're unsure about any part of the installation, consider hiring a professional. While it may come with a higher upfront cost, professional installation can save you from headaches in the future. Conclusion. Installing a new door is a big investment, and it's essential to avoid common mistakes to ensure that your door functions properly and lasts for years to come. From getting the right size and ensuring proper alignment to focusing on security and weatherproofing, taking the necessary precautions will help you achieve the best results. By carefully considering each step of the process, you can enjoy a beautiful and functional door that enhances your home's curb appeal and security, especially in the unique climate conditions of Cayce.